Good afternoon. This is Neil Simple Futures. It's Monday, last Monday of this month. Friday of this month is going to be the 1st of September, which is non-farm payroll. Between then and now, we get GDP and PCE Wednesday and Thursday, and then we get non-farm payroll on Friday. Oh, also tomorrow we get the JOLTS job openings, and that could be maybe something because the part of the dual mandate is inflation, the other is jobs. So this job openings thing tomorrow, then GDP, PCE, and non-farm payroll on Friday. And I've got, with that, SPX options chain shows plus or minus 55 going into the rest of the, the end of the week, the rest of the week. First of all, I've got one thing of substance I feel like to offer. And that is the over-under. The over-under in here is 44.30, without a doubt. That is that I'm got pretty good confidence in. If above there, now this part I don't have confidence in, but if above, then it's for 44.65 and 92. Those are the two top targets. If below, then it's into like 43.85. It's a balance, print from like 2 weeks ago down there. It's a very attractive price, 43.85. And something below last week's low. So anything below last week's low, which was 43.50, so we'd put it into like 43.30 as the main bearish T2 target 2. But the 44.30, that's your over under for real. I mean, you can lean long above, short below. Know that there's all kind of stuff in the middle to worry about. Oh, what about daily pivot and weekly pivot and this and that and whatever. But up it's 44.65 and 44.90. Down it's 43.85 and something lower than last week's low. And frankly, with as much news as there is this week, we could see back and forth and. Just I don't know. I still lean short, but I leaned short last week, and we never really saw anything. I mean, Thursday was a down day. Friday I was still leaning short, and it didn't do it anyway. It didn't. I mean, nothing. It was a little break, a little bid, and another break, and it went out the same way it came in for a scratch 0 nothing on the day Friday. So. It's just kind of what we got this week. Looking really largely ahead at the end of the week for that mostly important payroll report. But we got to get through, 3 more sessions before we get to that. So, I've got targets and an over-under. And a preferred, lean, but nothing really to hang my hat on, especially with all the news there is this week. Hope it helps at least, with the over-under and the targets. I mean, it's lean long above, short below, and the mark is, I feel really good about that. The mark is 44.30. That's the line in the sand. That's the mark. And that's it. That's what I got. Good trade.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me